What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to tell you what you need to do if you ever overstay in the Schengen area. I'm making this video to dedicate it to the German police who were kind and helpful enough to help my family out when we faced the unexpected overstay case in Germany. Here's our story. Me and my family unknowingly overstayed one day in Germany, and we only found it out at the immigration checkpoint when the officer said we overstayed for a day. And as soon as he found out, he called police to detain us, and we were escorted to the police station, which is located at the airport. Luckily, we encountered a kind and helpful police officer who were trying to help us out for us to be able to depart on time. So what they did was they called the airline to not depart without us while they were processing our documents. So they asked us to sign a few documents, but we were clueless about the context of the documents that we were signing, so we asked for their suggestions. They are not legally allowed to give any suggestions on where to sign, but they were kind enough to explain what's going to happen if we signed on a particular place. So we were able to get it right and fly back to where we're from. We couldn't even imagine what would happen if they were to treat us like criminals, because in Germany, overstaying is a criminal offense. And it would have been a disaster if they were to detain us longer than that, which they have the rights to do so, because if they detain us longer, we would have to buy tickets that would cost $20,000 to $30,000 just to fly back to where we're from. And of course, we would probably have to present at the court to face the charges. Luckily, we have very kind police officer processing our documents for us to be able to depart from Germany. So that's what happened with us. So if you knew in advance that you overstay, what you need to do is you have to get to the airport as early as possible, present yourself at the immigration checkpoint. As soon as the officer found out that you overstay, they will call the police officer to escort you to the police station, and they will process the document for you to be able to leave the country. And when you sign the documents, make sure that you understand the context of the document. You can ask the police officer for suggestion, even they are not legally allowed to give you suggestions. Some officers are willing to offer you suggestions in secret, and you have to make sure that you sign on the right spot, because if you sign on the wrong one, you may have to present yourself at the court to face the charges. So make sure that you ask for suggestions. So if you got it right, you'll be able to leave the country without any problems. So if you're ever in a situation like that, what you need to do is you need to pray for a kind officer to handle your case. Otherwise, it would not end well, and you may have to face the consequences. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.